Hello everyone, welcome to this module. In this module, I'll be showing you how to set up a Meta Business Manager account. Before we dive into creating ads, you need the right foundation. Step 1, which is creating a Meta Business Manager account. This keeps your business assets, your pages, your ad accounts, and your pixel well organized. So in order to do this, you would have to put in this URL www.business.facebook.com. So you would have to click on create account, then you'd have to fill in your business name and as well as your email address. So you can see this has been done already. So this is my business name and this is the email account that was imputed. So the next one I would show you is I would show you how to add in your Facebook page. So you go to account, other account, you see pages, you click on pages and then you click on add. So you have three options, but we're focusing on two options. So the first one is add an existing Facebook page. The last one is create a new Facebook page. So if you don't have a Facebook page, you would have to click on this. But I believe we all already have a Facebook page, so you click on this. So you copy your Facebook URL. An example would be like this. You click it on here, and I have mine already. That's why it's showing Searchgate already. So once you input your URL, then you click on next, approval, review people, click on next, and that's all. The next one I'll be showing you for Facebook for your Instagram account. So you come here and you click on Instagram account. So before you be able to add your Instagram account, you need to convert your Instagram account to a business account. So all you need to do is you convert it to a business account and you come here and you click on add account, you accept this, you click on add Instagram account. So you just input your Instagram email and password. So it will automatically be connected here. So it will be connected just like this. And so for your WhatsApp, just like what you did for your Instagram, your WhatsApp account, you need to convert it to a business account as well. So once it has been converted, you come here, you click on WhatsApp account and you go to add account. You go to link a WhatsApp business account, then you click on it and you put your country code, you put the WhatsApp number and click on continue. The code will be sent to you, you approve the code, and that's all. So now that you have added your Facebook page and your Instagram account, you would need to um, give access to this account as well. So you come to people, the email that you added. So I'll show you an example. So you click on invite people. So let's say, let me put an email account, info at searchdigital.com. So now I've added the email account. I go click on next. So you see basic, manage. So let's say full access. I click on it and I go next. So you see, now that I already added my Facebook account and Instagram account, I'll be able to give the assets to this new email I've added. So you can decide on the assets to give, the access to give. You can give partial access, you can give everything. So let's click on everything and you click on next. So once you do it, so you see, cross check the email just to be sure. Then you see info@searchdata.com. Then I would click on send invite. So once I click on send invite, I would receive the code and I would verify the code. That's how to set up an Instagram and Facebook Business Manager account. So thank you all. See you in the next video.